My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author, English. So, as you are well aware that we are describing the persecution of the Jews by the rogue ideology that is Islam. In Pakistan, persecution of the Christian by the rogue Muslims. Now we will tell you about the persecution of the Muslims by Pakistan according to doctrine. If the persecution of Christians by the Hindus, but in doctrine of the Hindus, that is the Sanatan Vedic Dharma, there is no idea of the persecution of any community or cult. Because Sanatan Vedic Dharma is only depend Vasudeva Kutumbakam, means all universe is our family and we are whole are the brethren. But in Islam this is not alike. Islam is a disintegrate. Islam is the disintegration of the peace and harmony and the dividation of the human mankind into parts, that is the Muslims and the non-Muslims. According to Islam, non-Muslims are the filthy people or liable to kill, wajib qatal, and the only Muslim will go to Jannat or the heaven after killing so many people, after committed so many rapes, as Muhammad committed such crimes, the rapes, killings and the robbery, and Muhammad will be in heaven. Not at all. If any heaven is there or hell is there, the Muhammad is certainly is in hell. So we will show you. Before the partition, many Christians worked for Hindus and Sikhs landlord, and after the division on India, after 1947, properties were distributed in Muslims. So now they are under the Muslim landlords, and Muslim did the same as per rogue Islamic inhuman violent ideology against Christians in Pakistan. Blasphemy law was the another cause horror and fear for every minority in Pakistan. The rogue Muslims threatened Christians that Pakistan is for only Muslims. 1951 two Christians were killed due to, as usual, stupidity of the Muslims as per teaching of the Islam. Against 1000 women of the Christian in 215 reported the violation of human rights by the International Human Rights Watch agencies. Persecution in Russia of Christians. After 1917, Bolshevik extremities undertook mass killing of Christians, and the Russian churches were vandalized, and Marxism promoted the atheism. Many religious places, thousands churches were destroyed or converted to other uses. Many priests were killed by the Marxism follower, the community member, and extensive educational and the propaganda campaigns were launched in order to canine people, especially children and youth, to abandon religious beliefs. This persecution resulted in the international murder of the 5 lakh Orthodox, followed by the government of the Soviet Union during the 20th century. In the first 5 years in the Bolsheviks revolution, 28 bishops and 1,200 priests were executed with deaths. The state establishment atheism, the only scientific truth, USSR, Union Soviet Socialist Republic, was always against any religioustic performance, whether Christian, Muslims, or any religious activities. Militant atheism became central to the ideology of the Communist Party of United Soviet Socialist Republic, and a high priority policy all USSR leaders. Christopher Mars, a professor of Baylor University, that tracing the social nature of the religion from Celeron Uchers and the Fabuch to Max Eagles and the Lenin, the idea of religion and the social product evolved to the point of policies aimed at the forced conversion of believers to the atheism. Under the communist doctrine of Marxism, was always against my religious activity, and all churches' properties must be burned. As per USSR policy, ridiculous the all priests. Many priests were killed and imprisoned. Their 1,000 churches were closed in 1925. The government founded the League of Militant Atheists in order to intensify the persecution. Communist regime confiscated churches' property, ridiculed religion, harassed believers, and propagated atheism in school. Actually, communism had attacked every religion, but Islam attacked on all kafirs. Means Islam is the jacket of the mockery. Due to this violent absurd doctrine, as Christianity, Sanatan Vedic culture or religion, and indeed the Jews were robbed, killing rapes of women was done by the Muhammad and his insane army against Jewish tribe, and this is the real filthy face of the Islam. Jews, Hindus, Zoroastrians, or the Parsis are too much persecuted by the insane army of Islam. These people humiliated by the hands of the bloody powers of the Islam and their followers. Many infighting in between Roman Catholics and the Protestant Reformation provoked a number of persecution due to their differences. Actually, Protestants were more modern and Catholics are very orthodox. This is the main reason of this friction, but this fight cannot be said as persecution, but the rivalry among them, and both were Christian. So this fighting cannot be said as persecution. In China, due to communism, all churches, mosques are under control of army and Communist Party of China. And in the land of the Jing dynasty after Pope Clement XI forbade Chinese Catholics from venerating their relatives or Confucius or the Buddha or the Jinan, Jinam Bodhisattva. We are describing the persecution on the basis of infighting of the religions and not the persecution of other religion by another cult. In Japan also Christians were persecuted due to Tokugawa Ieyasu assumed control over Japan. Deuteronomy Hideyoshi, he disliked Christians' activity in Japan. Tokugawa Ieyasu family decided to ban Catholicism and exiled all missionaries from Japan because Christians' ideologies are also fanatic as the Muslims. Spain persecution by the government. The Spain government was the aim to separate the church with political power. In this condition, church and state conflict was exposed due to the church power cut. Due to this, Church of Spain declaring the state of Spain as anti-Christians or anti-church, Masonic, Catholics, Jewish and the communist internationalism conspiracy which heralded a clash between God and atheism. So this was the cause of the persecution of the Christians. But is not only a religious angle. In the United States of America, the later day saints, Mormons had been persecuted and if drove New York to Ohio to Missouri, where they were regularly persecuted. In 1838, the Missouri government declared the Mormons had made war on the state of the Missouri, so they must be treated as enemy, but this was not religious persecution. Current situation 1989 to till date, that is 16 April 2021, Pope Benedict XVI claimed in 2010 that Christians were the most persecuted group in this world. However, this statement was not correct because Jews, Sanatani Hindus, Zoroastrians are the most persecuted group in real because Christians afforded the Muslim attacked very comfortably and Muslims were never winner in any war or in crusade against the Christians. Persecution of the Christian in Muslim majority country, it is proven that more than 1 lakh Christians were violently killed by lunatic Muslims. Recently, many instances are happened in which Pakistani Christian women Asia Bibi was in jail for the blame that she took water in the same glass or bowl in which Muslims drink the water. What is the cheapness of rogue Muslims and their insane prophecy of their Prophet Muhammad Sahib? This chief work of blasphemy proof that Muslims are mentally retarded people as by virtue of the Quran and Islam. Vajaisia Bibi is the lower than any utensil and this utensil certainly made by any kafir because Muslim cannot make them due to insane mental condition after reading Quran, and it may be that this utensil made by any Christian, even these people are so good the Muslims may not accept COVID vaccine made by China, USA, Canada and India, and all are kafir majority countries. So this was the instance of the foolishness the Muslims of the Pakistan blasphemy law. Pakistan is only Galatfahmi, insane activity only. Qvishki in international recognized expert, क्या नाम है? Qvishki on religious persecution explain this that this number is not correct. It seems on higher side all persecution with religious purpose. It is not clear, but due to Islamic preaching against kafir, certainly in religious atrocity, though in Pakistan and other countries which are the Islamic countries, single Christian has many problems due to the dictatorship of Islamic doctrine. Number is not matter. If Kafirs are weak, number will be gradually, and if Muslim weak, then number will be increase of Muslims. So persecution matter, not religion or cult. So exact number of persecuted people cannot be confirmed. It is clear that in Muslim majority countries are the slaughtered house for the Kafirs due to the so-called sky book, that is Quran. This is the Islam only in this world that Muslims always hate to non-Muslims. If any non-Muslim says that I do not hate to anybody else which is kafir or non-Muslim, either he is telling lie or he never read Quran or he is not true Muslim. According to the ideology of Islam, it has open compulsion against the kafir which does not suit to any non-Muslim. In Muslim majority countries, mass murder or ethnic cleansing is very common, and all Islamic countries are hell for the non-Muslims, or we can say those are slaughterhouse of the world. The monopoly of Islam and its followers is up to halal and haram level. These countries are the killer or slaughterhouse for the Christians. Iraq is a Muslim majority country and having a history of persecution of the Kafirs and is disturbing condition among non-Muslim for ethnic cleansing of the Christian only with Yazid, Iran, Syria, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Somalia, Qatar, Kuwait, Indonesia, Malaysia and Maldives, Sudan along with Niger and Nigeria, etc. Apostasy means conversion of any Christian to Muslim may be dangerous. But if a Muslim converts into Christian or Hindu, then ultimately this man is wajib qatl. So apostasy is the crime in Islamic countries, and it is very amazing. Sharia law are applicable for instance to kafir in Islamic countries. For instance, Maryam Ibrahim, a Sudanese citizen, was sentenced to death for apostasy in 214. Why the Islamic people or so-called Islamic scholars stated till that human nature to kill anybody on the basis of his or her faith. Though this woman was raised as Christians, but indeed she was Muslim due to only her name. She was persecuted. Afghanistan is the most worst country full of fanatics such as Taliban, many people who are living in the fool's paradise and killing the non-Muslims. Even Muslim also, which are Shiites. In Afghanistan, Abdul Rahman, a 41-year-old citizen, just was to killing after rejecting Islam but was released under pressure from other country pressure. In 2008, Taliban, a group of police and the stupid killed a British charity worker, Jael Williams, because she was working for an organization which was preaching Christianity in Afghanistan, even though she was very careful to not convert only Muslim into Christianity. In Algeria, 26 to 27 September 1996 at night, 7 Algerians belonging to Roman Catholics Trappist order of Cistercians of the strict observers were kidnapped in civil war. They were 2 months imprisonment. All were found dead on 21st May 1996, and armed group GIA took responsibility for both, but the officer of the French military, they were killed accordingly. How this can be a truth? Whenever these were in imprisonment of the kidnappers for 2 months in custody by fanatic stupids, radicalized Islamic terrorists. On 9 January 2010, Pentecostal church was burned down and many Bibles were burned. Same happenings were in Bangladesh, Chad. The non-Muslim were killed on the many occasions without their fault. Persecution of the Christians by Muslim in Egypt. This is very common in North Egypt. Extremist groups such as the Gammat Islamia during the 1980 was full of atrocity against the Christians, that is killing and burned the churches. Even this was very amazing that the police did work for the extremists. Even so, how fanatics of the Muslims, this incident provoked the goons of the Islam in 206, April and July 2012. Violence raised by the goons of Islamic stupidity, terrorists in Dahasur city. More than 2,000 Christians were killed by these fanatic Islamic extremists. So I would like to say that Islam is the cancer for the peace and harmony of this world. Thank you very much.